Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and this week is Meteor Week. And when you come to the library, you can pick up your craft, and it's going to be a rocket. And in a later video, I'll show you just how to make that. But if you have some fruit in your refrigerator at home, you might want to make a rocket. This is just a little mini rocket right here. This is a rocket ship. He's just kind of small. And what I did was I took a strawberry, some grapes, some blueberries, and I put them on a toothpick. Now, if you want your rocket to be bigger than this, you can just keep adding berries to it, and you can just add a toothpick to it. And it's just a little rocket. So you just take a toothpick, you take the stem out of your strawberry. It makes a great nose for your rocket, and you put that in there. Okay, and then I'm going to use a grape, and then I'm going to use some more blueberries. I'll put 2 blueberries. Oh heavens, I think I'm going to put another toothpick in here, and all you do is slide it in right there, and then you can just keep adding things. You can use pineapple, you could use watermelon, you could use apples, you could use oranges, and you've made your very own little rocket. And you can eat it up when you're finished. Enjoy it, have fun, and we miss you. See you soon.